Devenir professionnel est une nécessité et non un rêve.
Hi everyone and welcome in our channel Devenir Professionnel. So in this course guys, I'm going to show you how to build a contact form for your website, of course in WordPress. As you know, the contact form is really a vital part for any website. Why? The answer is too simple, because this allows your visitors to react to you without using their account email. They can contact you from your website. Also, it's another way for you to give the informations or more informations about you only to the person who is more interested about them. So you don't need, for example, to publish that information on 1 or 2 pages in your website, but only you give them to the person who contact you directly by email or by this contact form. So to get this purpose here, we are going to use this plugin contact form 7. It's a free plugin, and also this is one of the most popular and oldest WordPress contact form plugin. But however, its popularity, many people are still struggling to how to set up this plugin. That's why I created this course to show you how to use it correctly and how to get more results from it. As you're watching here, this plugin is activated on more than 5 million websites. So the community of this plugin is really too big, and also you can get a lot of informations. We have here support. It's usually updated, so you will avoid a lot of problem by using this plugin. So to get this purpose here, we are going to follow some steps. First of all, I'm going to show you how to install this plugin on your dashboard by using 3 methods, and also those methods we can use them to any plugin for WordPress. Also, how to create new form, how to insert it into the page, and how to link between the menu and to your form, and the last one, how to protect your form by using Recaptcha, and then adding some settings here as you're watching to understand how to set up and how to use some additional setting. So to do this, go now back to your dashboard and click on plugin to start the installation. To install this plugin or any other plugin of WordPress, you just go to your dashboard, on the left click on plugin, add new, and you will get this page. So you can make a search here, contact form 7, click on add new. So here, contact form 7, and they will get the result. So for me, for example, I have already installed this plugin. That's why I get this active button here. But for you, you will get this like this one, install now. Click on it, and a little icon here on the left of your dashboard appears. You can also go to Google, for example, go Google, look for the contact form 7, click on wordpress.org, and you can download your plugin here. After you download this plugin, go again to your dashboard, plugin, add new. So click on this button here, upload plugin, upload, and choose the plugin that you have downloaded. Then click on OK, and you will get the same result. Of course, there is another one, but you have to use FileZilla, and you go to your WordPress, and you go directly to web content plugins, and you put the file here, of course, after you extract it. So this is 3 methods for installing any plugin of WordPress. So now go to, after you install this, click on this icon here, click on contact, and you will find one form that is created automatically by this plugin. So select it and delete, apply, because we need to start from scratch. Click on add new, give it a title that you need. So for me, I will just write contact form. Click on save. So after you click on save, it gives you this shortcode that you can copy. Why? Because thanks to this code that I can insert this form on any page I want. So click now on the after you copy this, click on pages, click on add new, give it a title, contact us, for example. Now you can give, for example, a little description, add a description, add your text, so your description, some informations that motivate the user to contact you. Then click on enter and paste the code that you have copied here, contact form, of course, and click on publish. Now we have created our page, so you can click on view page just to see the result. So here you see add your text. This just you can add here a page or an image or anything, just to motivate your visitors to contact you. As you see, we have 4 fields: the name, email, subject, and your message. So here for each field we have this label here. So now go again to your dashboard and click on appearance, click on menu, because I need to create here a little link between the menu and my form. So click, after you click on appearance menu, you get this page as you're watching. So you have 4 kind of links: pages, posts, custom link, and categories. So for me in this case I need a page. Click on contact us or the pages that you have created. Click on of course add to menu. I'm sorry. Click on save menu and refresh your page. So here we have contact us, so I get now my page. So go back again to your contact form, click on your contact form here, or click on edit. By the way, you can create as much as you want of the form contact. So as you see here, we have 4 in this panel control. We have 4 panels, 4 tabs. So delete everything. We want to start from scratch. So now we will add our first email, add our first field that allowing the user to add his name. So click on the text. So in this place, your name. So of course this is this text will not be shown to the user, but we will use it in our HTML code. Click on required file and here add your name. Click on this, check this box, use this text as the placeholder of the field. Click insert. Now go back, don't forget to save. Go back to the page, contact us. So as you see, your name, so I have your name into the fields, but I can, after when I click or when I write, so the text is deleted automatically. So you can of course use the label for the fields. So to use the label, it's also easy. Just add this code. Write label, then write the same slash label. So in this into this code, click or write your name and add, for example, required. So and then click here, for example, space, and click on this button here, text, and your, for example, name, for example, 1. Click on required. So if I check now my page, so in this field I have only the placeholder, but for this field I have the label. So this is depend to you. You can use placeholder or you can use the label. So I will delete this to use for me in this my example. I will use only the placeholder. So I need email name. Now I need the email. Your email is required, and here you can add your email. Of course you can write required to show him that it's so important. Use this, of course. Save, just to see. So your email, you can add of course his phone. Same, your phone, your, for example, mobile or phone, but it's not required. Website, of course, or website, web, your website, and here your website, but it's not required because it's not all your visitors will be will have in a website. So click on save to see, select, refresh. So here we have name, email, mobile phone, and website. So now I will add the subject. For the subject, for example, here I will use the drop down menu. Your subject. So here to add your subject, so add for example billing, add booking. So here, for example, more informations. So don't allow multiple selection, require, and click on tag. So now I will check again, save. So here, as you say, booking, more informations, but we need to give it, for example, a little bit to give it a title to show the user what is the importance of this field. So to do this, we will add a label to this. Label, and here add subject, and at the end add this code slash label, and click on save. So the layout, it's depend to you. So for me, I want just to show you as much as possible of options. So the same for the number and date. Now I need a text area, a message, your message. Here we click message, it's required. Use this, save. And at the end I need I want to allow the user to send me their files. Click here and add, for example, your file. So for the file size limit, go to Google just to understand here, because we have here bytes. To understand 1 mega equals 1 million of bytes. So if I want to allow them 2 mega, I can just add this 2 millions. So for acceptable files, for example, I can accept only for example PDF, JPG, for example, and the PNG. Insert, and at the end I need a submit button, and the value, and click on insert. Now go save and take a look to see the result. So now we have a little description, some fields here, the subject, message, and here we have this button here to allow our user to contact us to add their files. But I can here, so you can come here again and here and add a text and your file. Save. Select. So now I need to delete. It's better to delete and to start from delete this link, because we forget to add the placeholder. So click on the file, required file. This size is 2 million. Here I will accept only JPG, PNG and PDF. So click now on insert. So I will, for this this field, it doesn't accept any placeholder, but I will add the label. Add the label here, click label and close with another label with slash, and in this place add a text, add your file. Save and refresh. So add your files. So now we will configure, I will show you how to configure your form, because we have other miles and message and additional setting. With the message that was filled in by your visitor, you need to do some setup and to configure your form. So go to contact form and select the form that you have created. So click on this tab, mail. So here we have some fields that we have to fill and to add some information. So here too is the email that it will receive the message, and here you can see that the number of the fields that we have created. See your name, your email. That's why I give them the email. Now I can understand and know each field. So I can, for example, specify an email here. I will add, for example, my email, just to know that this message was sent by my server. So for the subject, so you can delete this, for example, and add only the subject. Add your subject here. Additional header, reply to your email. It's not your email, but the email of the visitor. Okay, your email here, the email of the visitor. So for the body or the message body, so we have from, of course, the name and the email, always between brackets. Subject, as you see here. So we have also phone. You can add your phone. So copy this come here, and for example in this place you can add phone and add the code. We have also phone and website. Copy this again. So from subject, phone and website. So that's the field that we have created. So now we will add the body is your message. So now we have this is the file. Copy this and paste it here, file attachments, and click on OK. So now save. So we have again the third tabs here. We have some message, as you see. I will give you an example, but before, if I click on additional setting, for additional setting, so I will add this here. For example, if you add this code, subscribers only, so only subscribers that are allowing to send you a message. So for me, for example, because I work only on demo on localhost, I will add this code to test it. So that's mean I will not get this message, but I will get some informations to know that everything that is correct. So do the same as me, for example, demo, and click on save. But for you have to delete it if you're working on the web host. So now save and check your. So now click, for example, on submit. So here you see you get some message. The field is required. The field is required, but for those two field are not. So for this message, for example, go to the message. Here you can find this. The field is required. So you're free to add your descriptions as you want, to specify the message that you want to be shown to your users. So you're free to so it's very easy. For example, error that the sender order is invalid. If someone, for example, here I will show you, if this is the website, I will add the website, just a text, submit. So you see the URL is invalid. So you can, for example, if you think if you see that the message and the description are correct for you, you don't need to change any of them. Now I will show you another message. For example, if I add my email, for example my name, I will add the title of our website, mobile, for the address, for example http Professionnel, that's our website. Subject, for example, more informations, just a small text. Now submit. As you see here, one or more fields have an error, so I will check for the errors. This one is because I have checked this box that this field is required. So click, you can go to my form. I will uncheck this. I will refresh again just to see. So everything here, or informations text. So now thank you for your message, it has sent, and you will get the message. But because for me I work just on localhost, and also I add this setting demo mode on. That's why I will not get the message. So for the body here, it's very important for all your forms. So this plugin help you by showing all the fields that you have created. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 fields. So I add all them on my body message. As you see here, I have the name of the sender and his email, subject, phone, website, and the message. So of course you can delete this if you don't need it. And if you have, for example, a lot of forms contact, you can give them the title of your form, just to know in which form the message has sent. Now there is still another thing that you need to do, is how to protect your form. So to protect your form from from spammers, so you need to add here Recaptcha. So we have two solutions. The easiest way is to use these fields here. Click on the quiz here, and for example quiz, write anything that you want. Quiz 1. Here you add, for example, 5 plus x equals, and add this pipe. It's very important. Behind this pipe, or after this pipe, you have to write the answer 10, and then click on insert. So now click on save. So I will refresh the page. So you see here, so for example, if I fill all this, if I put all, I will write anything here just to show you. So for example, I add 20, so it's not correct. So the answer of the quiz here is incorrect. So but if I add 10, so thank you for your message, it has been sent. So there is another way, is clicking here, integration, click on the Recaptcha. So here you need to add the set key and the secret key. So to add to find those keys, go to the Google Recaptcha. So I will go to the Google Recaptcha. So here click on admin console. So add a label, for example Devenir, Professionnel. I will check this, for example Recaptcha 3. So now I have to add the website, Devenir Professionnel.com. I accept, submit. So now you see my two keys here. So I will copy this and then add set key, as you see, set key and secret key. So add them to this and click on save change, and a little Recaptcha will be shown here to protect your form, and then you don't need to use this field of the quiz. But the easy way is this one field. So you can start by this, and if it not if you get spam from it, you can use Recaptcha. So I wish that if that this course is helpful for you. So if you like this video, don't forget to share it and to add your comment for any other question. So thank you so much.